Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to be making some royal icing to decorate the sugar cookies that I made. I actually made a video for the sugar cookies too. Hopefully I'll already have it up by the time this one goes up. These are the cookies. They're like zoo animal themed. And then I also have some number 2s. And then just a random alpaca that I made just for me. So what you're gonna need is some meringue powder, vanilla, powdered sugar, and some water in a mixer because this stuff is stiff and you need a mixer. Go ahead and sift the powdered sugar in here just so that there is no lumps. We're going to be doing 8 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, so there's 8 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to want to put 8 tablespoons of meringue powder. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, it smells so sweet. So it's a lot. But it goes down a lot also when you add the liquid. You're gonna add your vanilla. You're gonna add the water a little bit at a time because you don't want this to have. You don't want to put too much water because then it's not gonna be stiff. It's gonna instantly go to like a loose consistency. You want it to be stiff so that you can thin it out if you want. Like if you need it for flooding, if you need it for piping, medium, whatever. You want to be able to fix it later. Go ahead and scrape the sides. Oopsie, oopsie. Oh no. Okay, go ahead and stir it. See how it's super stiff? It's really hard. Oh gosh, my spatula. In my case, I don't think I'm using any stiff consistency. I'm just gonna add more water to mix this better. But normally when it's thick like that, you're good to go. If you're using all one color, you could add it now, or you can separate them in little containers. That's what I do. And then I dye what I want as I'm adding the water. Well, I'll add the water first, and then I'll mix it. It's a lot easier to mix when it's liquid. Yeah, and just be careful when you're not using it. Cover it with cling wrap or plastic wrap, and put it in a container because it will crust over and it'll be ruined. This is how it looks. It's very sweet. Obviously, it's a ton of sugar, but it's perfect for frosting cookies. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this. If you learned something new, go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see some more baking videos from me. And let me know how you liked it down below. Okay, bye guys.